YakBack.
Hi, welcome to YakBack. Look at Hungry Bear. He's so hungry and he loves to eat ice cream. Do you like to eat ice cream? Yes, ice cream is so yummy. The bear wants to eat some ice cream. I want to eat some ice cream. Feed him ice cream. Here's our scoop. Here's our scoop to chew some ice cream. What did we find? We found a pin. We found a pin. A pin. We found a pin under the ice cream. A pin. Let's feed the bear the ice cream. Here you go, Mr. Bear. Yum, 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 yum. He ate the ice cream. Okay, he wants more ice cream. Let's find him some ice cream. What did we find under the scoop? We found a pig. A pig. Pig. We found a pig. A pig under the strawberry ice cream. Pig. There's ice cream on the pig. The pig likes to eat ice cream. The pig is eating the ice cream. The pig likes ice cream. Okay, Mr. Bear, here's your scoop of ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, 2 scoops left. Yum, 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 yum. Mr. Bear loves ice cream. Let's see what's under this next scoop. Okay, he wants more ice cream. What did we find? We found a paw. There was a paw under that scoop of ice cream. A paw. A paw. We found a paw. A paw. We found a paw. Paw. Okay, let's feed Mr. Bear the scoop. Yum, 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 yum. What did we find under this ice cream scoop? We found a pumpkin. We found a pumpkin under the ice cream scoop. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. We found a pumpkin. Pumpkin. Okay, let's feed the scoop to Mr. Bear. There you go. Yum, 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 yum. He loves to eat ice cream. Yum, 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 says Mr. Bear. Bye-bye.
YakBack.